right, so we're doing a pan here, and it's no Vikings, so we're safe. We're safe.
Hey-ho,
and here's the gnome. G'day, Joe.
Good. G'day, Chris. How you going? Look,
yeah,
here
good.
it is.
Check it
Putting
out.
a bit of underfelt, ready to be able to support the base so we don't get any splinters.
And nicely laid. And check out that measuring technology. I think that's called a measuring tape.
Yeah, it's really handy. We're able to get the right size. And here we go.
What's this? And the flick. Here we go with the flick.
There it is. Done.
10 out of 10. No.
No, geez.
Always room for improvement.
That's
so
right.
nine and a half.
You're so generous. Thanks, Chris.
You're welcome.
So we're just making sure that we can hold lots of water.
Nice brickwork.
Yeah, well, the wall's not too far away, but we'll use the bricks now to be able to hold that plastic in place.
Yeah, always working towards something.
That's it. Got to make sure that we can hold the water really well, that it's not going to leak. A few staples to hold
satisfying.
that in place. That's right.
Click.
Click.
Here we go, the ag pipe.
Yeah, a bit of ag pipe that'll evenly distribute the water across the base of the garden bed.
And nice posture there for soaring. Well done. Nicely cut.
You're such a generous judge there, Chris.
My mum taught me well.
To secure the ag pipe to the vertical pipe.
Just a little strip of material.
That's it, yeah, keeps it upright.
I like how pretty much everything in this project is reused.
Just marking that there.
Oh, is that what you're doing? And now some drilly action.
Yep.
A
bit wonky there with the drill, but,
Oh,
with time, those skills develop. Well, there it is.
That
There it
thing.
is, Chris.
What is
That's
that?
the elbow.
an elbow.
Yeah, we have an elbow joiner.
Okay. And that's what you're knocking in there?
Yeah, using a bit of timber so it doesn't damage it.
Good idea.
See how it pivots?
Yeah, pivots. A pivoting elbow. Here we go. No Viking still.
That's lucky.
So we can see that we've done a bit of a water test. It holds water, so that's a positive.
Yep. Just put a little hole there for the fitting.
Nice, knocking off some of the sharp bits from the Duvalaki.
Well, we want it to work.
Yeah, we do. So just poking in the Duvalaki and doing a picky poking. Now getting some slippy slappy with the silicone.
Yeah, well, the silicone's great. Make sure that we have a good seal there. It's not going to leak.
Nice, getting it underneath as well. Excellent, well done. Oh, here we go. Chocking it up with a couple of bricks.
Well, we want it to be level for the even distribution of water.
Smart.
Equal uptake for all plants.
Gotcha. What are those things called there, Joe?
Well, the level. Just want to make sure
level.
the level's right, Chris.
Right. I'm glad we have you around for the words.
Well, I'm really glad that you speed it up because, we don't want to be using too much time putting that gravel in because we've got lots of garden beds to build.
I sped this bit up too because I really don't have the attention. I grew up with computers.
Well, day in the garden, it's good for all of us.
Excellent. What's that stuff?
Well, that's a bit of polyester fabric. Basically, it's made of plastic. It's going to last forever, and we need it to be able to form a wickable base between the rocks and the soil.
Right. Good separation. And here we are, these amazing compost bays.
Yeah, well, this is the best part of it, to be able to see what's happening in there, and those compost worms are breaking down all those kitchen scraps. Look,
looks beautiful.
There it is.
That's healthy. That's in healthy compost for you.
It's just full of worms. Those worms are fabulous.
I've never seen so many worms. Oh, and here we go into the tool shed.
Well, it's always good to
shed.
spend a bit of time in the shed, Chris.
Yeah.
Using a bit of upcycled fence paling to be able to secure the plastic. But, it's great to be able to just create.
No lost fingers.
No
Good
lost
work.
fingers. That was a bonus.
There's a bonus.
Didn't even have any Band-Aids handy, so that was lucky.
Phew. And here you go. We're just putting the tips of the screws in just to make it a little bit easy for when you go on the angle. Heave. There we go.
Well, that's secure now.
It
We
is.
don't have to worry about that. We didn't want any bits of soil going down in between the plastic and the apple crate.
And it looks good. Oh, and here you come with the flim flam. know you
Well,
put in.
that's another bit of pipe from the garden, but brings back good memories. This, my dad taught me how to do that. Just heat it a little bit, hot water, and then it fits over the fitting. But there it is. See, it pivots. So we have it upright to fill the garden bed and then tip it to the level of the gravel. There it is, finished.
And we're done.
We're done.
Whoa.
Ready.
COVID high five.
COVID high five.
No touching.
No touching, but that garden bed is going to only need water once a week. It's going to wick and water all those plants
All
for the
of them.
whole week.
Nice.
Save
Like how
time.
you're putting love into the soil there, Jo.
Well, you know, good vibe.
Good vibes. All right. See you
That's
later,
it.
Jo. We're done.
Let's plant it. 25 kilos of food off that patch.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
It's still no Vikings.
Still no Vikings. That's lucky, but we could feed them if they did come.
That's right.
That'd be fine.
Would they just pillage the
We'd all
the
sit down
vegetables?
and have a good meal.
Yeah.
That's what it's all about.
Nice.
Enjoy.